If you've ever opened an older WordPress page and found rows of WPBakery shortcodes instead of clean, editable blocks, you know how frustrating a migration can be. Shortcode to blocks converts that content into native Gutenberg blocks. And when you're working with more than just a few pages, Shortcode to Blocks Pro gives you the tools to manage the entire migration. The free Shortcode to Blocks plugin handles the core conversion. Rows, columns, text, headings, buttons, and several other common elements are supported right out of the box. It's a great option when you want to convert pages individually from the editor. It also includes backup and revert options, so you can safely undo a conversion if needed. From either the classic editor or block editor, converting a page is as simple as clicking one button. Once the conversion is complete, you can review the new blocks and make any final adjustments. In this example, the free plugin converts most of the content successfully, but the icon shortcode isn't converted into a Gutenberg block. It still displays correctly, but it isn't fully editable as a block. For now, I'll revert the page and try the Pro version later. In addition to supporting more advanced WPBakery elements, Pro includes tools for managing larger migrations. If your site has dozens or even hundreds of WPBakery pages, you can use batch conversion, dry runs, conversion logs, advanced shortcode support, converted post tracking, and batch revert. So before we convert anything, I can run a detection scan across the selected post types to find WPBakery content throughout the site. Those results are then used in the dashboard and batch conversion tools so that I have a clear picture of which pages still need to be migrated. On the batch convert screen, I can choose which post types to scan, decide whether to convert everything or limit the number of posts, and start with a dry run. A dry run is useful because it lets me preview the changes before anything is saved. Once everything looks good, I can run the actual conversion in smaller batches. That helps reduce the risk of server timeouts on larger sites. Each run is also assigned a batch ID, making it easy to track exactly what was converted. Pro also adds converters for more advanced WPBakery elements, including calls to actions, toggles, videos, Google Maps, tabs, tours, accordions, icons, and more. Together, the free and Pro plugins support 28 WPBakery shortcodes. Now, after running the batch conversion, my startup page even has native Gutenberg icons that I can tweak as needed because Pro comes with an icon converter. Every major action can be logged, including conversions, reverts, batch runs, scans, purges, and errors. I can filter by action or status, search the log messages, and export the results to CSV. For client projects or larger migrations, having that audit trail can be extremely helpful. The converted posts screen gives me a clear overview of everything that has been migrated. I can filter by post type, search by title or post ID, filter by batch ID, export the results to CSV, or revert individual posts when necessary. And if I need to roll something back, Pro gives me several options. I can revert posts by batch ID, by conversion date, or undo the most recent batch. Because backups are created during the conversion, I can restore the original WPBakery content without having to rebuild the pages manually. Links to both the free Shortcode to Blocks plugin and Shortcode to Blocks Pro are in the description below. Conversions from different page builders in Gutenberg are never a perfect one-to-one match, but you can see how close this tool gets you, saving you valuable time. If you're converting just a few pages, the free version is a great place to start. But if you're migrating to a larger WPBakery site and need batch conversion, dry runs, logging, exports, and rollback tools, click the Pro link below to learn more.